Hi my Raven friends, how are you guys doing? We hope everybody is fine and doing well. So here we go with another project. We have been trusted by our parents to prepare a gift box for another birthday boy. So this round we actually packed our latest collections, our handcrafted kinetic sand, right, which is safe and non-toxic. It is made from natural ingredients, so you can actually have fun with this with your children as young as 1 year old with the adult supervisions. Even though it's safe because it is a sand, I guess it would be great if you can just play with them. So in this box, we basically have 3 packs of kinetic sand. This is light green. So there is mold inside this, where children can also learn shapes and colors while they are playing with the molds. And also we have another colors here, which is ocean blue. It comes with another cookies mold inside the box. So again, kinetic sand is not just for you to squish, but it is also really great for sensory play. But you can have a lot of fun way to play with the kinetic sand. So you can play with the baking tools if you have at home, the playset. You can play with the cookies cutter, or you can just play with it with the playtime play. So let me just share with you later on. And the next item is another color, so yellow mustard. It also comes with another shapes of cookies cutter. So again, mommies, daddies, auntie, uncles, you can actually introduce them the colors, the shapes while actually playing. It seems simple, but you can be so creative in playing with this kinetic sand. And again, we will also recommend you to play the kinetic sand with the playset that you have at home. So if let's say you have an ice cream playset, why not scoop them like an ice cream, right? Imagine the flavors, serve it like an ice cream for your parents, for your sister and your brother, and have fun with it. So it comes with this cone set with a scoop, so you can learn about counting how many scoops that you need, what kind of flavors, what colors is the flavor representing. So all sort of fun. And of course, because of the boy, we actually prepare these animal shapes for them so that they can build a track using the kinetic sand while they play. So it also comes with a tray from our end. So mommy, daddies, don't worry, it won't get so messy. Even if it get messy, let them learn to clean it up. So we do pack the gifts box together with few animals that they can actually learn. So you can help them to learn what is the animal's name, what is the colors, how make the sound, how to make the sound. So you can play so much more at their trucks, if they have those playset at home. So that's how you can play with our kinetic sand. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. We do the customized box for the parents as well as a gift box. So once again, thank you parents for your trust to My Raven. We can actually explore another opportunity into gift box and customized gift. So yeah, we hope you'll like it. Thank you everybody. Don't forget to chat with us, engage with us if you need to know more about our kinetic sand, right? The packaging is really customized depending on your budget, so don't hesitate to actually came to us to know about it. Thank you. Have a nice day everybody. Bye.